Welcome to the Arizona WIC Participant Portal tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to enter family information and upload eligibility documents into the participant portal to fast-track your enrollment process, and how to schedule upcoming appointments. This is the Arizona WIC Participant Portal webpage, located at myazwic.com. If you're already a WIC participant, you'll click on the Register button, but if you're not, you'll click on the Am I Eligible button. If you click on the Register button, you'll be taken to the Registration for Existing WIC Participants screen. Begin by entering your last name and date of birth in these two fields. Then enter your Family ID number or eWIC card number in this field. If you don't know your Family ID number or eWIC card number, contact your local clinic. When you're ready to continue, click I'm Not a Robot before clicking the Next button. You'll then be prompted to sign in with either Facebook or Google. If you don't have a Facebook or Google account, you'll need to create one before continuing to use the participant portal. If you're not interested in creating a Facebook or Google account, you won't be able to use the participant portal, but you can still contact your local WIC clinic for assistance. Then click I'm Not a Robot before clicking Create Account. Once you're signed in, you'll see all of the members of the family that have been previously enrolled in the WIC program. If you'd like to add another person, contact your local WIC clinic for assistance. Going back to the myazwic.com landing page, let's now review the steps to take if you're not already a WIC participant. You'll start by clicking on the Am I Eligible button. On this page, you'll answer 3 eligibility questions. In order to be considered eligible to participate in the Arizona WIC program, you must live in Arizona or a state-approved area bordering Arizona and have one or more of these situations apply to your family. If you or your family participate in one or more of these programs, indicate that information here. Once you've provided proof of participation in one or more of these programs, it may make you and or your family members automatically eligible to participate in the Arizona WIC program. However, if you or your family members do not participate in one or more of these programs, click none of the above. Please note that even if you click none of the above, it's still possible to be considered income eligible when you later provide income eligibility documents. Once you've answered all 3 questions, click the Next button to continue. On the Family Information screen, you'll enter your personal information in these fields. Once you finish that, click the Add Family Member button. If you're a pregnant woman, postpartum woman up to 6 months after the end of your pregnancy, or breastfeeding woman up to 1 year after the end of your pregnancy, and would like to apply for the WIC program, you'll enter your personal information again in these fields. Then click the Save Changes button. You would then follow the same process again for as many family members that you would like to apply for the WIC program. Infants and children up to the month of their 5th birthday may be eligible to participate. Once you've finished adding all members of your household that you believe may be eligible to participate, you'd click the Next button to continue. On this screen, you'll search for and select your local WIC clinic. The system will automatically populate your zip code and has a default search radius of 5 miles. But the search radius can be changed by selecting a different distance from this drop-down menu. You then click the Search button. Clinics will appear in order based on how close they are to the zip code you entered. You then select your preferred clinic and click the Next button. You'll then be prompted to sign in with either Facebook or Google. You then verify all of your information, scroll down, click I'm Not a Robot, and then click the Create Account button. On this welcome screen, you'll be asked to upload the following documents using the participant portal: identification for yourself, such as a driver's license or photo ID, a form of identification for each child, such as a shot record, birth certificate, crib card, or hospital ID, proof of income, such as your most recent 30 days of pay stubs, access letter, or SNAP letter, a proof of address, such as mail, a bill, driver's license, or a mortgage or rent receipt, and food and formula requests, if applicable. After clicking OK, you'll be able to view your participant portal profile. After clicking the calendar icon, you'll see buttons for scheduling, rescheduling, and canceling appointments with your local WIC clinic. Clicking the Add Appointment button will open up a new window to help you with scheduling your desired appointment. Start by entering the requested date range for your appointment, keeping in mind that the current date will be entered in the From field by default. Then enter the last day of your requested date range in the To field. Then enter the number of participants that you'd like to schedule the appointment for in this field. Then click the Find button. Then select the radio button next to your desired appointment date and time. Then click the Save button. A window will appear that says, "Your WIC appointment has been booked." A WIC staff member may contact you to confirm appointment details. Then you'd click the OK button. At the top of the screen, you'd then see your upcoming appointment details. Below that, you'll see the same information reflected in the Future Appointments section. Any appointments you complete will appear in the Past Appointments section. If you ever need to reschedule your appointment, begin by clicking the radio button next to your scheduled appointment details. Then click the Reschedule Appointment button. Then enter your requested date range in the From and To fields. Then click the Find button. Select your desired time to reschedule your appointment, and click the Save button. A window will appear that says, "Your WIC appointment has been rescheduled." A WIC staff member may contact you to confirm appointment details. Then you'd click the OK button. If you ever need to cancel an appointment, begin by clicking the radio button next to your scheduled appointment details. Then click the Cancel Appointment button. A window will appear that asks, "Are you sure you want to cancel this appointment?" Then click the Yes button. Clicking the paperclip icon will take you to the document upload page. To upload a document, begin by selecting the document type. Then click the Attach button to select your desired document. Then click I'm not a robot before clicking the Upload Document button. When you see the window that says, "The image has been successfully uploaded for review," click the OK button. Then follow the same process to add as many additional documents as you need to. Clicking the document icon will allow you to see any documents or links that have been uploaded by WIC staff for you to review. If any documents or links have been uploaded, simply click on them to open them up for review. Clicking the question mark icon allows you to review answers to some frequently asked questions. Once you've finished using the participant portal, simply click the Log Out button to be taken back to myazwic.com. Once you've created a participant portal account, whenever you want to access it in the future, simply click the Sign In button. Whenever you sign in the future, continue to use the Facebook or Google account that you originally used to create your participant portal account. You'll then immediately be taken to your participant portal profile. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or concerns using the participant portal, feel free to call your local WIC clinic or call the Arizona WIC State Office at 1-800-252-5942. Have a wonderful day.